Hello friends, today I am sharing you video of CNC circle punching machine, clamp machines, wire bending machines, 3D bending machines, big clamps, reverse bending machine, 3D on-site forming machines, and 3D rotary bending machines. This is because metal processing machines are essential in modern manufacturing. These machines shape and form metals into various products. Now come CNC circle punching machines. This is used to create precise circular holes in metal sheets. They are crucial in making components for various industries. Then come clamp machines. Clamp machines hold metal piece firmly in place during processing. This ensures accuracy and safety throughout the manufacturing process. Now come wire bending machines. Wire bending machines and 3D bending machines shape wires and metal rods into intricate designs. These machines are vital for processing parts for the automotive and aerospace industries. Big clamps are used in heavy duty applications to hold large metal parts securely. Rebar bending machines are essential in construction for shaping reinforcement bars. 3D on-site forming machines and 3D rotary bending machines allow for complex shapes and forms to be created directly on site. These machines are highly versatile and are used in various industries including construction and manufacturing. They ensure that the metal parts fit perfectly into their intended applications. Common metals processed by these machines include steel, aluminum, copper, and other alloys. Steel is known for its strength and durability, making it ideal for construction and automotive parts. Aluminum is lightweight and corrosion resistant, perfect for aerospace and consumer